instead of that da-da-da-da, that's kind of like, maybe I'll go with you. I don't know. It's like tricky. Here we go, 2 before C. Shake it. All's connected. Triple, let go. Warm sounds. So support her a little bit more. So a little bit more clarinet, definitely more flute sound. Definitely more, a lot more flute sound. Tempo. I know that's a lot of notes, and I know that was probably very agonizing. So good work.
Thank you.
Tempo. 2. Here we go. More flute sound. It's okay if we miss a couple notes. Just really got to support for that balance thing.
Do you want me to get any quieter?
No, I think you're fine. I think you're fine right there because you're the only clarinet. I think that's just fine right there. As you're playing through it, wait on all of those dotted eights. We're gonna start. At D. Do you have D?
Yes.
You don't, it's 49? Oh, you got it. Wonderful, thank you for that. D.
What?
D. Yeah,
oh.
yeah. I would like it connected with those lines.
And how loud do you want us to be? So like, because
You could actually play a little bit louder than you have been,
Okay.
so your voice speaks through.
Okay. So like smooth.
So you speak, so you go through, because we've got 3 different voices there: the triplets, bum bum ba, the bass line, and then the alto line,
And then
leading right through the middle.
when we like towards the end of that, we go to what they're playing. So do you want those to be like hardwired?
Yeah, you're looking at 91, 92, 93, kind of. Da da da,
Yeah.
bum bum bum, da da da. Yeah.
Alright.
That's a 2D separated right there at 91, 2, 3, 94. Bum 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 bum. Good. Thank you. D. It's okay. D. That's okay. Be ready for that. So we'll end it right at 127:28. So it runs the possibility that I might not go in the exact rest of quarter and an eighth. And we'll start right at the beginning. Let's go just a little bit before that. Actually, I would like to go. Where was that clarinets? All this lovely melody. Flutes do it too. And wherever you have melody, and wherever you see hairpins, just do those. Actually, if you see hairpins, and if you see anything on the page, you can do that too. So that would be just fantastic. Let's go back to where we started before, which was D. Oh, look, I found it. It's in you have D, there's 1 phrase, 2 phrase, and then you already have those swells. Da 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 da. That swell right there is what I want to hear. Here we go, D. Just clarinets and I want to hear first clarinet and flute right at D. First clarinet and flute right at D. Listen to the pitch. First note at D. Second note. Yeah, it's a third little softer. Dramatic. Once again, just so the crescendo is nice and even. That was lovely, and the entrance was absolutely gorgeous. All clarinets, right there. All clarinets. Follow Olivia for that phrasing on that very last one to support. Oh, sorry, a D. I'm sorry.
Okay.
That was my fault. I'm sorry. That was lovely. Flutes, can you add into that?
Well, yeah.
Starting at D. Same phrasing, same type of phrasing. Everyone write a T. Everyone write a T. Keep thinking about that phrasing and make it so dramatic when we have that pianissimo flutes when you go down.
What?
This is the third phrase of D. Da, 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 da. So gentle.
I shall try.
You just you have a little chicklet. And you're just trying to place it down.
Squeeze it.
Here we go, D. Right before E. Bum, 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 ba. That part again. Right before E. Read. Keep going. You're sailors. You're filthy. You've been on a boat for ages. Made dirty. Here we go. That's great. Alto saxophones, right at E. Yep, altos, right at E. You're that like sentimental sailor that's hanging off the edge of the ship. Oh, Charlotte. Often Southampton, London. Oh, she's in Liverpool. I know it. She's off getting tea or Charlotte. That's you. You're the sentimental sailor. That's you. That is lovely. Triplets.
Oh no. Why?
I know. lovely ship because there's little doves and birdies flying around. That's you, but right now you're playing like a vulture. Like a dove. That's good. Yeah, the style is a lot better, and you'll get those notes. I have no problem with that, but the style is a lot better. Sorry, I'm torturing you. I know. That was just horrendous. How dare I? D, please, D. What's your character? Sentimental sailor. That's all right. Chris, right? We have bum bum bum, and you come in bum 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 bum, right? And deleting the measure two, right? Yeah, bum bum. A lot stronger. Bum. That's how you do it. Bum. Yeah.
So there's like this awkward measure between
It's a blank
DC Alberta and